All right, fans, welcome back. We have another treat for you. One of our outstanding student leaders, Kaitlyn, is with us. Kaitlyn, can you introduce yourself for the fans out there?
Hi, I'm Kaitlyn Maclean. I'm the president of the student government at my campus.
But not only president, but tell them about the award you were just recognized with.
I was actually nominated and won Student of the Month for the Florida college system. So that was over 28 colleges. I was able to apparently be the most outstanding student. So that's pretty stoked.
Awesome, Kaitlyn, and I highlighted you in my newsletter that I do every Sunday.
Yeah.
So I know you're like a superstar on campus, signing a lot of autographs and posing for a lot of pictures.
I'm kind of like a celebrity.
Yeah, no you are. No, you are. We want all of our students to feel like celebrities here, and I know you do a good job of that.
Aw, thanks.
You help get other students involved. Can you speak about what it's like to be a student here and to be involved, and you know the connections that you're making between faculty and staff?
Well, getting involved is actually really easy to do. Some people don't believe that they can get involved, and I know students have come to me and said that they don't even want to get involved because they're nervous, they're not sure if they want to get in, but it's really super easy, and then everybody around them is always comforting, always caring. They're the best. It's awesome.
Yeah, well, you guys do a good job knowing that a lot of students do have a little bit of anxiety about, you know, doing something new and meeting new people and going in through those doors to those offices. But how do you feel like the faculty and staff have embraced you as a student here at the college?
Oh, I know I'm a tough person to swallow. I got a big personality, so I can tell that sometimes I'm a little over the top. But I mean, everybody's so warming and welcoming, and they're really, really nice people. Yeah. It's nice.
We like big personalities, Kaitlyn. I mean, they've kept me around for so long, so yeah, so we like that. So tell us about your future plans and how Pasco-Hernando State College is going to help you with what you want to do in the future.
Well, I'm actually using Pasco-Hernando State College as a diving board because I'm looking for what I want to do. I kind of just went right out of high school, no plan intended, and I'm just going with the flow. So I'm just taking every class that I feel is interesting to me, and then as soon as I find what I love the most, I'm going to go that way.
Right, so would you say we're a good pick for you coming out of high school and maybe not knowing for sure what you wanted to do yet, but having a chance, like you said, to really experiment with different classes and different activities and programs, kind of a smaller family type feel?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I actually think I picked the best campus. It's one of our smaller campuses, so it really does feel like a family, and I know that I can pick whichever classes that I want and know that I'm going to get a great person that I can talk to and know that I can be able to find what I like to do as much as I can.